not your mama though. Look, I deal with the pencils, I deal with the books. Snotty noses and crying, I'm shook. If you like me and you need a hand, I know fair, I got the master plan. Coolest teacher in the land, the coolest teacher in the land. You say it's you? Nah, stop playing. I'm coolest teacher in the land, coolest teacher in the land, coolest teacher in the land. From the A to the H, from the D to Japan, coolest teacher in the land. What's up, y'all? You already know who it is. Now, I know we all stuck at the house on quarantine, and I have been sitting and thinking, and I realize I've done y'all a disservice. See, I talk about teacher wellness, and I focused on your mind, I focused on your soul, but I left out one important thing. I forgot to focus on the body. I forgot to focus on your body, okay? Now, if you think I'm about to do a workout, you wild, that ain't it. I'm telling y'all, that ain't it. I've been working out, but that's not it. What I am going to start doing is giving you cooking time with Chef Praise. Because I noticed during the school year, y'all the Uber Eating every day. Y'all bringing them nasty frozen meals to the teacher lounge, stinking up the place. And when you get home, you Uber Eating too, okay? You can cook. I know as teachers, no time, no money, no time, no money. Stop, cut all that. No more excuses. I'm gonna help you get into that kitchen and cook like the confident teacher you are. You ready? Let's go, follow me. So our meal for today is gonna be pasta carbonara. I absolutely love Italian food and I love pasta. This is super quick, super easy. Now, is this the traditional way to cook it? No, okay? Is this the way you cook it when you ain't got no groceries and Instacart don't show up till tomorrow? This is what you got and you need to eat? Yes. Now, if you're anything like me, you like to have some music going. I personally love having my vinyls going whenever I'm cooking. So since we're going with the whole Italian theme today, you got good old Frankie Frank Sinatra, old Blue Eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and put them on here. If you can't hear the song, that's because I'm not paying for it. And it's just for the effect and to get y'all exposed to some new music, okay? I also know you eyeing this hat. Shout out to my boy Tunde. He's one of the owners of Southern Gents. They are a clothing company. They have great hats like this, and they primarily do menswear. So if you need to buy clothes for your man, or if you're a man and you need a nice suit, nice custom suit, they got great custom pieces. I'll put the info below. So what we got today? Pasta carbonara, Parmesan cheese, 1 egg, black pepper, salt, garlic powder, oregano. I got 1 piece of bacon. So what you're gonna do obviously is pasta. So you gotta boil water, okay? Shocker, I know. Now make sure when you boil your water, you season it. They say when you're cooking pasta, the water should taste like the sea. So you want to put a good amount of salt in there. Not too much though, because a lot of you watching have high cholesterol and blood pressure. Now, before I can do anything, the only thing you really got to chop is this bacon. Now, I got to sharpen my knife. I used to do this to my friends in college. I would sit at the edge of the bed and sharpen my knives. It would freak them out. If you don't have a steel, you can always just use another knife and sharpen it with each other. Iron sharpens iron. Shout out to the Bible. Y'all need to read. Okay. And you want to make sure you wipe it off to get any steel shavings off of there. So I'm going to chop up my bacon. Let me get that off my head. I'm going to chop up my bacon just into little pieces because you want to be able to get a good piece of bacon within every bite of this dish. So also when you chopping, okay, y'all stop chopping and stop holding it like this. Hold the knife, let the knife's weight do the work and just move it. Move. Okay, sing yummy, yummy in your head while you cut. Yummy, yummy, yummy. See, I'm not paying justice for that song either. All right, just chop it up. And you get nice little pieces, like kind of like this. That's what we want. So then you're gonna wash your hands, okay? Because you touch raw meat. That's nasty. Don't touch nothing else. Goodness gracious, that's why we got corona in the first place. All right, now in this bowl, I'm gonna crack an egg and I'm gonna add Parmesan cheese. You want about 1/3 cup or so of I don't be using numbers and stuff, okay? When they say stop, it's time to stop. And then you're just gonna mix it together. until it's all blended nice, that yolk breaks. We got our bacon chopped up, we got our egg and our cheese ready. I'm gonna go ahead and put the pasta on for about 7-8 minutes. We want it al dente because it's gonna finish cooking within everything else. So let's go to the stove. We almost done. All right, so our pasta is almost done cooking. So since our pasta is almost done, we're gonna start cooking our bacon in a separate pan. Now the pan is hot, it's a hot pan. Like Medea playing grip ball, you know. All right, so hot pan, we're gonna go ahead and take our bacon, drop it like it's hot. When you hear that sizzle, baby, that's what it is, okay? I'm using some cheap bacon. You can use some nice bacon. Traditionally in carbonara, they use what's called guanciale, which is the cheek of a pig. It's the cheek. So while that's in there, I'm gonna go wash my hands once again because that's raw food. Want your bacon to get nice and crispy, however long that takes, and you want that fat to render off because that fat is flavor. Look at your friend, say fat is flavor. Okay, now this is not necessarily the meal that you make whenever you want to lose weight. However, it's okay to eat because we're not making a huge portion. All about portion control, okay? You don't need to have an entire bowl full of pasta, okay? You can have about a cup and a half of pasta and be satisfied. All right, that's your problem. You need to be satisfied. Okay, that's another song reference. I ain't paying these people, so I ain't singing no more songs. All right, so we're just gonna cook that bacon in there. Now I can do some tricks for y'all. Let me see. Yay! So our pasta is finished cooking. Now you want to check it like just put some. Go ahead, put one in there. Okay, ooh, I dropped it. Catch it. Check it. You want it al dente, okay? Because like I said, hey, it's gonna finish cooking within this good old bacon grease. So that's pretty good. Now I didn't drain it either. The reason being is just because it's easier for me. I want to use some of the pasta water later in the dish. Now if you want to drain it and reserve the pasta water at your own, do that. Do whatever makes you happy, okay? For me it's easy just to get up in there, put it in the pan. It's all good. We look, do you over at your house, okay? Work out your own salvation. Fair and trim. All right, so when be careful. I hope y'all, if y'all can see, can y'all see the bacon? Can y'all see? That's fat and that's bacon. Okay, when we got it like that, we know we're ready. So like I said, our pasta's already done. You want to turn off the heat. Okay, the reason you want to turn off the heat is because when we put the noodles in this pan, you don't want it to cook no more. Okay, then you're gonna have lo mein and not carbonara. So we're gonna turn it off the heat. I'm actually going to take our pan, our pot of pasta, move it back. I'm going to turn this one over on no heat, and you're simply going to take your pasta, take it out, and you're just going to drop it right in here with the bacon grease and everything else. Get all of it in there. Get all of it in there. Get in there. Yeah. My kitchen be fun. I bet y'all be cooking boring, huh? Right. And after you watch one of my videos, all right. So you want to move that around. Take a little bit of that pasta water. I just use my tongs. Take a little bit of that pasta water and put it in there. Now, here's the most important part. As this is hot, we're gonna drop it into our egg and cheese mixture. Now, as soon as you drop it in there, you gotta keep moving it because if not, you will end up with scrambled eggs, okay? This, the heat from this is actually going to cook the egg in there and it's gonna give us a nice, creamy, nice consistency. All right, then we're gonna take it off and I'm gonna drop it like it's hot, baby. Get everything in there and drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. And now start moving it around. You want to start moving it around. You want to be nice and creamy. There we go, boy. There we go. Hey, look at the flick of the wrist. All right. So, once you can see you got that nice cream. Oh my gosh. wish y'all could see this. Goodness gracious. Y'all about to see in a minute when we play. Boy. Now, within this, you're going to go ahead and add your seasoning. So, black pepper. I like a good amount of black pepper. Now, garlic powder is not traditional. I'm doing it. Talk to Jesus, not me. Just a little bit of garlic powder. A little bit of oregano. Make it look fancy. Add another element of taste. And just a little bit of salt, okay? Just a little bit because you want it to taste. And then you're going to keep mixing it. You're going to mix it all up. You're going to mix it. Now, I know some of y'all is like, oh, that's raw egg. It's not raw egg, okay? Like I said, the heat from the pasta went ahead and cooked our egg in here. And give that a little tap. Boy, y'all better be lucky I went into education, or else I would have the most happening restaurant. I'm telling y'all. Let's plate it. Let's go. So let me show you how to plate this like a boss, okay? Now you could just dump it in there and be basic. What? Y'all wild. All right, so I didn't break up my noodles, and so I can get a really pretty little like noodle nest. So you want to take it, when you're picking it up, you want to take it kind of like so, okay? We want to just put them in there and then turn, spiral that mug like, wow. Okay, you want to get another one, take it. Ooh, get all that goodness. Y'all see that creamy little sauce? You want to spiral it next to it like bow. Okay? Now I'm going to take the rest of those nice bacon pieces. Once again, spiral them up like bow. Okay? Now put that to the side. And you know you got to do it for the gram, so you know I got to wipe around it. Make sure that mug look. Woo-wee, boy! And then, of course, you know, you want to top it off with a little bit more cheese. Like that. When you sprinkle up there, it looks better. It just looks better. And you get more area on the food. A little bit more black pepper. And y'all, we in there. It's done. Pasta carbonara is here. Take a pic. It's sliding. I can't do that no more. Look, I hope y'all enjoyed the first of many Cooking with Chef Praise. Like I said, you're a confident teacher. You can be a confident cook. I'm here to help you. Chef Praise. Chef Praise, coolest teacher in the land. I'm out. Enjoy.